Prevent Excel from clearing copied data for pasting, after certain operations, without Office Clipboard. Whenever you copy a cell or a range of cells in Excel, my version is 2010 on Windows 7, and then do something else like insert new sheet row or simply edit another cell, Excel removes the clipboard data. For me, this seems to me so utterly stupid and it's very frustrating. Probably it has some logic behind it, like preserving references or something like that, but I don't think it would be rocket science to make it work like any other program that has copy-paste available. The only workaround is to use the Office Clipboard, but I don't want to. Uses space on the screen and it's a lot less comfortable than Ctrl+V, and I don't think I should be forced to use it. Here's a reference to some posts also complaining about this problem. How to make Excel retain the contents of its clipboard. Excel 2010 removes data from clipboard. How can I stop it? Is there any way I can force Excel to keep my data into the clipboard until I decide I don't need it no more instead of it, without using the annoying, to me, Office Clipboard? Maybe using the Windows Clipboard. Or at least you could explain to me why this is happening. I know this is normal behavior, but why?
You can try some Clipboard Manager applications such as Ditto. Here is the link Ditto.
The answer, unfortunately, is no, you can't stop this from happening. As described by Joel Spolsky, developer and program manager for Excel. The official reason is that Excel doesn't really have cut and paste, it has move and copy. That's necessary because Excel automatically does reference fix-up. For example, if cell A2 is defined as equals A1, and you move cell A1 to A3, cell A2 will be updated to equals A3. If Excel actually cut things to the clipboard, you would somehow need to have a reference pointing into the clipboard, which is bizarre and for which there is no reasonable syntax. In other words, Excel doesn't want to leave you with dangling references during a move operation and isn't confident that it would be able to fix them up correctly when you completed the move by selecting Paste. Joel Spolsky, 3rd of September 2004. Source. What this means is that because of the difficulty inherent in the way Excel maintains references, at the time of development there was no good way to store these references outside of Excel and have them remain dynamic to be reinserted. Once you change focus, Excel's ability to retain your original references is lost. Unfortunately, MS does not consider this a bug.
You cannot stop this, but there is a workaround. In Windows 10, and I assume in Windows 11 too, you can press Win+V instead of Ctrl+V. This brings up a pop-up with the 25 most recent items on the clipboard. You can navigate scrolling or up and down arrows, and you can pick an item to insert with Enter or a mouse click. It can be inconvenient to use something else in Excel, but might be simpler than installing a Clipboard Manager application.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.